Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects nearly everyone at some point in their lives: pimples. We'll explore what pimples are, their causes, and most importantly, how to treat them effectively. So, let's get started. First off, what is a pimple? Well, a pimple, also known as acne vulgaris, is a common skin condition that occurs when hair follicles get clogged with oil, dead skin cells, and bacteria. The result? Those pesky little red bumps we all know and love. Now, let's talk about the causes of pimples. There are several factors that contribute to their development. Excess oil production. Our skin naturally produces oil, known as sebum. Sometimes, our sebaceous glands go into overdrive, leading to excess oil production. When this oil mixes with dead skin cells, it can block the hair follicles, creating a perfect environment for pimples to form. Bacterial growth. Our skin is home to bacteria, including the common culprit of pimples, Propionibacterium acnes. When trapped within a clogged pore, these bacteria can multiply and cause inflammation, making the pimple appear red and swollen. Hormonal changes. Hormones, they're responsible for so much. During puberty, menstrual cycles, pregnancy, or stress, hormone levels fluctuate, leading to increased oil production. This is why teenagers and women are more prone to breakouts during certain life stages. Genetics. Unfortunately, some people are simply more predisposed to developing pimples due to their genetic makeup. If your parents had acne, you might be more likely to experience it too. Now that we understand what causes pimples, let's explore how to treat them effectively. The key is a consistent and gentle skincare routine. Here are some helpful tips. Diet and lifestyle. While food doesn't directly cause acne, some studies suggest that a diet rich in whole foods and low in refined sugars might help manage breakouts. Additionally, managing stress and getting enough sleep can positively impact your skin's health. Controlling pimples. Cleanse gently. Use a mild, non-comedogenic cleanser to wash your face twice a day. Avoid harsh scrubbing, as it can worsen inflammation. Hands off. Resist the urge to touch, pick, or squeeze your pimples. This can lead to infection, scarring, and worsened inflammation. Avoid excessive cleansing. Overwashing your face can strip your skin of natural oils, triggering more oil production and potentially worsening acne. Choose non-comedogenic products. Use skincare and makeup products labeled as non-comedogenic. These products are less likely to clog pores. Oil-free moisturizer. Even if you have oily skin, use an oil-free moisturizer to maintain hydration without adding excess oil. Exfoliation. Regular exfoliation can help prevent dead skin cells from clogging pores. Use a gentle exfoliant containing salicylic acid or glycolic acid a few times a week. Topical treatments. Consider using over-the-counter products with benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid, or retinoids. These can help unclog pores and reduce inflammation. Healthy diet. While diet isn't the primary cause of acne, eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can promote overall skin health. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated and support its natural healing processes. Stress management. High stress levels can exacerbate acne. Practice stress reduction techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing. Regular exercise. Physical activity improves blood circulation and reduces stress, which can have a positive impact on your skin. Sun protection. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 daily. Some acne treatments can increase sun sensitivity. Avoid certain foods. While individual reactions vary, some people find that reducing dairy and high-sugar foods helps control their acne. Prescription medications. If over-the-counter treatments aren't effective, consult a dermatologist. They can prescribe stronger topical or oral medications tailored to your needs. Professional treatments. Dermatologists offer treatments like chemical peels, microdermabrasion, or laser therapy to help control acne and improve skin texture. Hormonal treatments. For women with hormonal acne, hormonal birth control or other medications can help regulate hormones and control breakouts. Avoid hot and humid environments. These conditions can increase oil production and exacerbate acne. Regular cleansing after sweating. If you've been sweating, make sure to cleanse your face to prevent sweat from mixing with oil and clogging pores. Remember, consistency is key when treating and controlling acne. It might take time to see improvements, and what works for one person may not work for another. If your acne is severe or causing distress, consult a dermatologist for personalized guidance and treatment options. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or tips you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring the bell for notifications. Until next time, take care and keep that skin glowing.